Hello, good evening. My name is Ricardo Suta Ripin, and I'm a student from UTSM, and this is my computer programming project. Our code for this subject is BDA 24202, and our lecturer name is Dr. Zaini bin Yunus. Okay, so I'll start our project. Okay, this is the introduction. As you can see, my project is about applying fluid mechanics and fluid dynamics that deals with the study of all fluid under static and dynamic situations. In this project, and we also deal with a relationship between forces, motion, and statistical condition in a continuous material. Also, fluid deals with many diversified problems such as surface tension, fluid static, flow in enclosed bodies, and etc. etc. Problem statement. This is my problem statement. This program were developed to ease the process to determine the values needed to the value using C programming. Means that I will be choosing a question from from fluid dynamics by using C programming or C++ software. I will determine either we can find the same value with the answer from the question. Next is we can use C programming by applying fluid mechanics and fluid dynamics. And since there are many parameters to be considered in Bernoulli equation, such as values of P, V, H, rho, and G. So in real life situation, especially in engineering fields, you have to deal with time because time means money in industry. So instead of using the manual way, like calculating a certain equation, you can just use your programming software and just plug in the values, and you will get the answer. From this problem statement, this is my target. So my objective is to solve the problem of calculating the Bernoulli equation by using C programming software. Next is to develop the programming that can be related to fluid mechanics and fluid dynamics. Next is to improve our knowledge about C programming software. Next is to save time by solving problem using C programming software. Okay, here is my methodology and my question. This is the question that I choose. Okay, the question goes like this. Bruce is doing an experiment. The experiment involved cleaning an in-home aquarium. Water flow through a hole in the bottom of the aquarium. For this experiment, Bruce needs to find the velocity of which flows through the hole, and viscous effects are determined as negligible. As you can see here is the hole. So in order for Bruce to clear his aquarium, he needs to find the velocity of this part. As you can see here, the pressure at 1 is equal to 0, V at 1 is equal to 0, and the height is equal to 0.4 centimeters, 0.4 meters. And at the bottom, at the hole, P2 is equal to 0, Z2 is equal to 0, and where V2 is unknown. So V2 is what we're searching. So here you got the Bernoulli equation, okay, the solution here. From this solution, P1, V1, P2, Z2 is equal to 0, and given height is equal to 0.4 meter. Find the velocity. As you can see here, you can cancel out from here the 0, and you're left with rho g h1 equal to 1 over 2 times rho v2 square plus, here. For the final equation that we can get is, as you can see here, as we cancel out all the rest, So rho GH equal to 1 over 2 rho V2 square. As you can see here, apply simple maths and you will get the velocity of 2.8014 meter per second. This is the velocity that we can get from this question. Okay, next. Here is my flowchart. As you can see, a flowchart starts with start and all the initial values, and it will end there. So next is pseudocode. Here is my pseudocode, as you can see, and I will give you time to see it. That this is the code that I generate. As you can see here, and you will find the values. Okay, as I compile and run this project here, I have chosen, this is when I compile and run the project. So from this program, I've chosen number 2, that is to find the velocity of point 2 here. Enter the row number is equal to 1, v1 is equal to 0, p1 is equal to 0, z1 is equal to 0.4 meters, p2 is equal to 0, z2 is equal to 0. From here you can see this is a very simple and very easy step where you just plug in into the software, or you just plug in into your program. As you can see here, we get the values of velocity 2 is equal to 2.801428 meter per second. See, you got the same values as the question just now. So as you can see here, it's a very simple and very easy and very fast way to solve the question by using C program. Okay, here's my conclusion. In this conclusion, I have successfully written a program and applied my knowledge learned from computer programming subject to solve the problem as you can see in figure 1. The result is the same as figure 6. This shows that the program is correct and can be used to solve other problems related to properties of Bernoulli equation. So my name is Ricardo Seta. Thank you for listening, and tune up and just click the like button or subscribe. Thank you. And thank you for my lecturer, Dr. Zaini bin Yunus, and this is my project. Yeah.